Hey everyone, and welcome back to JessicaLynnOriginal Studios. Today we're in for an unforgettable adventure as we take you on a thrilling journey of one of the most iconic attractions at Walt Disney World, the Tower of Terror. Get ready to join us for a heart-pounding POV. Ride experience will be plummeting through the Twilight Zone on this spine-chilling elevator drop. Hold on tight. This is going to be a wild ride that you don't want to miss. Before we embark on this eerie journey, make sure to leave a comment down below and let us know if you've ever ridden the Tower of Terror before, or if it's your first time. This amazing ride is set in the heart of Disney World's Hollywood Studios. There stands a majestic and eerie hotel known as the Hollywood Tower Hotel. This grand establishment was once a glamorous destination for the rich and famous and has now been abandoned. The hotel's silhouette looms over the park to draw curious visitors from all around. Now, when you enter into the lobby, make sure that you take a moment to examine all of the decor. There are a lot of hidden references to the attraction's backstories and to the fictional Hollywood Tower Hotel's history. Once you get through that check-in, you're actually going to go ahead and go into a pre-show library. Now, when you go into the library, again, there are tons of artifacts and items related to the Twilight Zone TV series. So if you look around at the ceiling, you'll see many of those.
Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. On an evening very much like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story of the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard because in tonight's episode, you are the star. And this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
The Tower of Terror's boiler room is more than just a waiting area. It's a truly integral part of the attraction storytelling. As you prepare to board the haunted elevator, take a moment to take a look at all of the eerie atmosphere and be transported before you actually step foot on that elevator. When the Tower of Terror first opened in 1994, it only had a lap bar, and that meant that everyone would kind of fly up even higher, but there was only one drop at that point. Over the years, they decided to install separate seat belts for each person riding on the elevator.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
The Twilight Zone.
Not yet. No!
When screaming out on your door, 5 people step through the door of an elevator. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you.
I need to hold your hand.
Here we go.
You are about to discover what lies beyond the deepest, darkest of your imagination. Tower of Terror.
Go up first. Up. Oh yeah, more.
There we go, one more time.
Sorry, babe. Woohoo! Is that fun?
A warm welcome back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning. Something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
Here we go. Undo your seatbelt. Woohoo! Come on, Flynn. Oh, push your button. Come on. Thank you. As you exit down the long corridor, you are going to see a PhotoPass screen. This does record you not only as a photo, but as a video. So if you did purchase PhotoPass, be sure to scan that and put it on your Magic Band. It's a really fun little video that shows Tower of Terror, and it kind of puts you in there, and it's an action shot. So it's really cool. When you head out, I love all of this. They've got some pressed pennies off to the left. Now there is no restroom inside the exit of Tower of Terror. You actually have to go out down the street a little bit and to the left, almost on your way to Phantasmic. Alright, so I just have to say, what a fun night. I think we might try and finish with Phantasmic, but we'll find out. Tower of Terror, always one of my favorites. If you can, try and get in the front, although they tell you they can't like hold a spot, so kind of just watch the people around you, but always shoot for we ended up in row 2, which was row 1, which was amazing. So, and this time it went all the way down, and it was almost like it was done, and then it shot us straight up again, so totally fun. All right, let's keep going. All right, let's go to that gift shop. I wish there was more Tower of Terror stuff. Well, thank you so much for joining me on the Tower of Terror. I love producing videos including Disney and the Wisconsin Dells and a ton of my original drawn art. So be sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you come back. Don't forget to like and comment. We'll see you again real soon. Take care.